Hello, I'm Tony Guest from Tony Guest Automotive and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to start setting up door gaps on classic cars. Many of these classic cars have terrible door gaps, the doors stick out, the gaps are terrible. Well, this needn't be the case. You can sort them out so they look good. I'll be showing you how you can achieve that in a few simple steps. So my first job with this wire wheel here will be to clean out any paint and filler that may be in this door gap so you can get an exact idea of how big the gap is. Make sure you wear your PPE, there's dust, there's all sorts, so you need to be careful. So now I've ground that out, you can see the gap is a bit inconsistent here. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of welding here just to straighten this up. But what you want to do is you want to clean up all the paint around the edge, but I won't film all of that because it will be a bit tedious. But that's just a bit I've done to give you an idea of how to go about that. Close up of the paint removed. The gap is generally okay. It starts getting tight at the bottom of the quarter and it also sits in. So round here I think I'm going to have to slice along this edge and open it out a bit. The customer fitted the lower quarter half, as you can see there. It just needs a little bit of fettling just to get spot on. I'm just going to put a small piece of MIG welding in here just to fill this gap up. And then I should move down onto this piece, cut that, pull that out and re-weld that. And it won't be pulling in anymore. So you don't want to start hitting the door and tapping all this down. And leave the door shape as much as you can really. So as you can see, it sits along the sill quite well. So this is the part that wants dealing with. So I have the MIG welder all set up now and ready to go. So I'm just going to put some MIG weld in this piece here and grind it back down and close the door, and then we can go from there. I'll do a time lapse of all the rest so you can get an idea where we're going with it. Unfortunately it's quite thin there, so it's trying to blow holes, but I did fill the holes. You can already see that it's filled that little gap up there. It wants a little bit more in there just to finish that up now. So what I'm going to do now is put some more weld in that, cut and re-weld that, and then we'll move on from there. Here I'm dealing with the gap at the top of the wing. No amount of adjustment will sort this, so I need to grind the edge back and re-weld it. First, I use a fibre disc on a grinder to grind back the edge. Be careful not to take too much material away.
Keep opening and closing the doors to check the gap. Once you're happy with this, start tack welding along the edge. You need to build the tacks up so you make a continuous weld. Be careful not to get the door too hot, as this may cause distortion. Once you are happy, grind back and finish with a body file. Repeat again if necessary.
So there you have it, that's one door done. A fair few hours have gone into this to get it right, but as you can see, it looks consistent all the way round. And what did I use to check the consistency? £1. I'll show you. Pound goes in, pound goes round, pound doesn't get stuck. Perfect. So I hope this has helped a little bit for people who's going to do this job. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Until the next time, stay safe and see ya.